Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Makosazana visit Mzwandile and leave him an envelope with cash and a phone with a record of Zetulele moving his sister body on the accident. And it seems like Makosazana offered to help Mzwandile get revenge on Zetulele. After hearing Zetulele will be on the harbor for dinner, and she passed the information to Mzwandile and get ready to kill him. While Nkululeko tells Zetulele that he must protect herself, and Nkululeko gives Zetulele the gun. While Phakade wants Zetulele to go to the police station and tell them that he killed Slindile, but it seems like Zetulele refuses to do that. Tusheleni is involved on Nomsa ritual to become rich. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.